Hello viewers, welcome back to Java Tech. In the previous class, I have discussed exception in Java. If you are new to my channel, check the links in description. Now I come up with new topic, that is what is the difference between double equal operator and dot equals method. In this video, I am covering the theory part and I am showing in practical, and I am using Eclipse for practical here. It is the most frequently asked question by the interviewer. I think some of you people have faced this problem in your interviews. I will explain the difference in an easy way. Before that, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. By that you will get more videos of my channel and it will be helpful to me. Please subscribe. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. The interviewer will ask like, what is the difference between double equal operator and dot equals method? Here you can give one line answer. It will be attractive to him. It will be very nice answer. You can give like this. Double equal operator meant for reference comparison and dot equals method meant for content comparison. It is the best answer given to the interviewer. Here interviewer again raise the question. Here you are saying reference comparison and content comparison. I want to know what is reference comparison and what is content comparison. I want to know the difference between these two. Like this, interviewer will raise another question. Now you have to explain what is reference comparison and what is content comparison. Briefly you have to explain here. I am showing how to explain. Reference comparison. Come to the point. Comparison between two addresses. Two addresses means we have two string objects. Every string has one reference variable. Every reference variable has some address. It will be unique address. It will be different to different objects. Now in our example we have two string objects with some content. The content should be the same and variable, the reference name should be different. I am taking first object as S1 and second object as S2 reference variables. I am taking same content in two string objects, that is JavaTech and JavaTech. Now I have to print the two statements here. I am writing println statement, and in my statement S1 double equal to S2 I am printing. Here I am comparing two hash codes. Hash codes will be different to different with reference variable. In the diagram you can see S1 pointing to JavaTech and S2 pointing to JavaTech. Here it will compare only hash codes here. Hash codes that contains only reference variables. Reference variables, every reference variable has different hash code. S1 has different hash code and S2 has different hash code. It won't match. So in this example my answer should be false. Coming to content comparison. It is the comparison between two contents. Here in this example we are not comparing hash codes. We are comparing only content in the object. I have two string objects here, S1 and S2. In S1 I am writing JavaTech and S2 also I am writing JavaTech. Here the content is the same in two string different objects. Here I am printing my statement like S1 dot equals S2. Dot equals method compare only content in the object. So here I will get the answer is true. Here you can see in the diagram S1 pointing to the JavaTech and S2 also pointing to JavaTech. Here the comparison between the content is the same. So obviously my answer will be true. I am showing in Eclipse. Now I am creating a class comparison. By showing practically you can understand very better. For that I am showing in Eclipse. This is my class comparison and I am writing my main method here. And it's my main method. Now I'm writing my string object. Now my string object with the reference s1. Object creation will be like this. String is my data type and s1 is my reference, new is my object creation, and string in the content I'm writing Java Tech. Like this you have to create an object. Similar way I'm creating another object with reference s2. String s2, new string, I'm writing same content here, Java Tech. Yeah, I created two objects here with references s1 and s2. Now I'm writing my statement. Sysout is my Eclipse shortcut, system out println, and I'm comparing two reference variables here. S1 double equals S2 is my first output, and I'm writing another statement here, that is for content comparison. Sysout system out println S1 dot equals S2. Here I'm checking two reference comparison and content comparison with two statements. Now I completed my statements here. Now I'm saving my program and I will check. I'm running my program here, comparison, Java application, right. Now I will get two answers as false because I made a small mistake here. In my second string I wrote Java Tech. In Tech I'm writing, I wrote small t here. Have to write capital T because it will check every character for comparison. Small t hash code and small capital T will be difference. So hash code difference. Now I'm running my program. I will get as my first statement as false and second statement as true. Here you can check in console false and true. Okay guys. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Like and comment in comment section. Share the video to your friends. In the description you will find my previous program link.